Halal cosmetic products in Malaysia market. Introduction. There is now a growing demand for halal cosmetic among the Muslim population, and due to their purchasing power, Muslim consumers today spend more on cosmetic and personal goods. The global trend for ethical beauty shows that consumers seek purity, integrity, authenticity in their cosmetics. The consumer prefer cosmetics that are animal cruelty free and based on natural ingredients. Religious and conscientious consumers avoid materials that are in such a way as to cause unnecessary pain or that pollute the environment. There are same needs between the halal consumer and the ethical consumer. Halal cosmetic responds to a growing demand from the consumer for eco certification, which is organic, natural, and free of animal testing, and halal certification, which is compliance to Sharia law. Describe Sharia ruling for halal cosmetic products in Malaysia market. Halal cosmetic refers to beauty products that have been manufactured and composed of ingredients that are permissible under Islamic Sharia law. Halal by definition means permissible or allowable. There are important aspects to describe Sharia ruling for halal cosmetic product in Malaysia market. Among them are in terms of sources of ingredients, system and production level, and testing method of halal cosmetic products. To describe Sharia ruling for halal cosmetic product in Malaysia markets, it's important to know sources of halal cosmetic ingredients. Halal cosmetic products are those derived from halal raw material and manufactured in accordance with the halal system. Water, emulsifier, preservative, thickeners, moisturizer, color, and fragrance are common ingredients in cosmetic. Because of the complex ingredients found in cosmetic product, a cosmetic product manufacturer should evaluate and critically review the corresponding ingredient before selling them. Manufacturer and supplier must collaborate closely to ensure that only halal certified ingredients are used. The ingredient must not only be halal but also safe for consumer. The content of halal cosmetic is derived from plant sources, soil, water, animals slaughtered according to Islamic law, halal marine animals, as well as user-friendly synthetic material and pure material free of feces. Plant-derived component and chemical synthesis of substance replace animal-derived substance in the manufacture of halal cosmetic to reduce skepticism and gain consumer acceptance. As a rule, each ingredient from the supplier, the manufacturer must first obtain halal certification. Production of halal cosmetic. The production of halal cosmetic not only requires a sources of critical ingredients to be considered halal. The same principle applies to the production of cosmetics products. Product production must be carried out under strict hygiene conditions in accordance with good manufacturing practice and public health legislation. Manufacturers must create internal manuals for halal assurance system. It consists of halal policies components, halal guidelines, halal management organization, and standard operating procedure. There are stages in the production of halal cosmetic production, from manufacturing, storage, packaging, and up to distribution. The first stage for The production of halal cosmetic is manufacturing. The manufacture of halal cosmetic product must follow the standards of current goods manufacturing practice, which is CGMP, to ensure the quality and safety of halal cosmetic products. Premise must be designed and located in an area without the risk of contamination by non-halal material. It is also important that processing of non-halal cosmetic cannot be done in the same factory. Equipment must be designed for use only for the production of halal cosmetic. The next stage in the production of halal cosmetic is storing. At this stage, if manufacturer choose to produce non-halal certified cosmetic, the manufacturer should ensure that warehouse and production lines for halal and non-halal certified ones must be physically separated and located in different factories. All processes involved must be clearly labeled with signboards containing the word halal to prevent mixing and contamination by non-halal or faces. An important factor in the storing stage is that care should also be taken to avoid unexpected contamination from the environment. Then, the packaging level is an important factor emphasized in production of halal cosmetic. Material used in the production of packaging must comply with halal standard. Manufacturers of halal cosmetic must obtain packaging materials from reputable halal packaging manufacturers. Finally, the distribution rating. The distribution system must ensure that halal cosmetic products reach the market without being contaminated by haram material or najis. To avoid cross-contaminations, it is recommended that halal cosmetic products to be handled and shipped separately from non-halal cosmetic products. Thirdly, testing method for halal cosmetic. Testing method for halal cosmetic product is an important phase of Sharia ruling to determine if a cosmetic product can be used by Muslim and even non-Muslim. The intended testing methods are the assessment of water permeability, skin permeability of alcohol and active ingredient of critical origin cosmetic and washable cosmetic. In particular, Muslim practice obligatory lime washing known as wudu, performed to cleanse and purify in preparation for official prayers or handling and reciting the Quran. To meet the needs of Muslim consumer, not only are halal ingredients required hand products, but they must also be washable to meet the requirement of ablution. So, the testing methods of halal cosmetic is very important for Muslim consumer, while non-Muslim are also concerned about the safety of the product. Discuss the key marketing challenges or issues facing halal cosmetic industry in Malaysia market. Cosmetic purchase behavior of educated millennial Muslim females. One of the marketing challenges or issues facing the halal cosmetic industry in Malaysia is the cosmetics buying behavior of young and educated Muslim women in Malaysia. Educated young female consumers love branded cosmetics and show a willingness to accept higher price for such branded goods. Despite brand awareness, they show relatively high concern over the legality of the product. Practical implication: manufacturers and marketers of cosmetics must ensure that their product signal a positive image in order to meet the expectation of young and educated Muslim consumer. Despite mentioning the brand, Such consumers show prudent behavior in terms of finding halal and Tayyiban products. Obtain halal certificates from Department of Islamic Development Malaysia, JAKIM. Among the marketing challenges or issues facing the halal cosmetic industry in the Malaysia market are the challenges on obtaining a halal certificate from JAKIM, which is the Department of Islamic Development Malaysia. To obtain JAKIM's Malaysian halal certification, manufacturers or operators of products must go through the process of halal certification before being marketed. For example, the auditor will take samples and send them for laboratory analysis to ensure that all ingredients used are based on halal products. The auditor then re-examines and produces an audit report that also includes laboratory analysis results. The report is then forwarded to the Malaysian Halal certification at the panel meetings, and they will determine whether the applicant has passed the halal request based on their criteria. If the applicant fails to meet the expectation of the panel meeting, JAKIM Halal will issue a notice letter stating that the applicant has not obtained a halal certificate in Malaysia. If the applicant passed the halal request, the Malaysian halal certificate will be issued and the process will be complete. Then applicant can use the halal certificate Malaysia logo for free on their products or service. Ingredient content in halal cosmetic products. Among the marketing challenges or issues facing halal cosmetic industry in Malaysia market are challenges on the provision of halal and clean ingredients. Cosmetic ingredients derived from permissible animals must be slaughtered according to Islamic law to be considered halal. To be certified halal, every ingredient in a cosmetic product must be traceable. The product must not contain any material derived from pigs, carcass, bloods, human body parts, predators, reptiles, and insects, among others. Material derived from animals must come from animals that are allowed to be slaughtered according to Islamic law. This also applies to application tools such as makeup brush, where bristle fibers can contain animal byproduct. Buying behavior among Muslims. Marketing challenges or issues facing halal cosmetic industry in Malaysia market is buying behavior among Muslims. Nowadays, the buying behavior among Muslim consumers are changed, whereby Muslims today buy products that emphasize on hygiene, safety, and standards. Due to the change in buying behavior, products lines must now include new halal products dedicated to different sects, age groups, and ethnicities to cater to varying age and lifestyle demographics. Manufacturers that wish to target the Islamic market, this should take into account the specific religious requirements that reflect on different stages of product development. Marketing campaigns to promote the benefit of the halal cosmetic should be used instead of campaigns that only portray the physical characteristic of the product. The marketing campaigns will increase awareness among both Muslim and non-Muslim consumers towards the halal cosmetic products. Apply any area in the 6 A's to overcome those challenges or issues mentioned in question 2. Awareness on halal cosmetic products. Muslim consumers are becoming more aware of the importance of halal. Consumers were concerned and aware of the product they were using. Muslim consumers prefer to spend their money on lifestyle products that meet their religious and cultural needs. Muslim consumers who are educated and conscientious are looking for environmentally friendly and organic lifestyle products. Furthermore, Muslim consumers expect beauty products to meet halal requirements in terms of ingredients. They are becoming more concerned about the presence of harmful chemical and non-halal ingredients in their cosmetics. As a result, Muslim consumers are looking for products that must be tayyib, such as clean, safe, and healthy, and in which all aspects of production comply with Sharia. As a result, this study looks into how Muslim consumers incorporate their understanding of the halalan thayyiban concept into the cosmetic they use. So, in conclusion, overall, our offers practical contribution for halal cosmetic as halal cosmetic have become a global need. Muslims around the world are increasing in number and are expected to reach the next few years. Therefore, there will be a new wave in the global cosmetic market, which will result in demand for cosmetic products that meet religious and cultural requirements. Also, cosmetic consumers around the world are seeking natural and safe products. This explains why halal cosmetics started penetrating non-Muslim markets. Meanwhile, the new Muslim generation are becoming more knowledgeable and highly educated, with a large number of them having a high disposable income, resulting in many Muslims able to purchase halal products with halal components. Instead of selling Islam to Muslims, marketers should address universal values that resonate with the human race when marketing halal cosmetic. Halal cosmetic should represent beauty products that conform to Islamic law and are in harmony with the ethical concern of these scanning consumers worldwide. This image may have a strong appeal in non-Muslim market because of consumer base their purchasing decision on perceived characteristic of goods. Halal cosmetic manufacturer and marketer must emphasize the benefit of their halal product rather than just portraying the physical characteristic of the product.